In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize captions in Adobe Premiere Pro, whether you're polishing subtitles for accessibility or refining on-screen dialogue for style. Getting caption size right is key for readability and a professional look. I'll walk you through the exact controls you need, explain what each one does, and share a few simple tips to help you preview your changes with confidence. First, click to select the caption clip directly in your timeline. This tells Premiere which captions you want to work with. If nothing is selected, the controls you're about to use won't apply to the right clip, so make sure that timeline item is highlighted. Next, open the Essential Graphics panel. Go to the window menu at the top and choose Essential Graphics. If it's already open, bring it to the front so you can see the options clearly. Inside Essential Graphics, switch to the Edit tab. This is where the text-related properties live. Now highlight your caption text. You can click inside the text area in the Essential Graphics panel or directly in the program monitor. Then select the portion you want to resize. To change everything at once, select all the text in that caption block. Under Text Properties, adjust the font size. This is the most direct way to resize captions because it changes the actual type size. Increase it to make your captions more prominent or decrease it to keep them subtle and out of the way. Watch how the text may reflow across lines as you change the size. That's normal and can help improve readability. For finer overall control, open the Effect Controls panel with the caption clip still selected and adjust scale. Scale uniformly enlarges or reduces the entire caption layer, including any styling, without changing the underlying font size value. It's ideal when you like the typography but want a small global nudge up or down. Keep an eye on the frame. Scaling too much can push text close to the edges. As you tweak font size and scale, the program